And this is exactly why your money never grows, even though you're trying to invest. You want to build wealth, you want your money to finally start working for you, but every time you try to invest, it feels confusing, risky, or overwhelming. Here's your truth nobody tells you. You don't stay broke because investing is hard. You stay broke because you're doing the wrong type of investing. There is a lazy way to build wealth, a simple, low-stress strategy that works for beginners and even beats what most experts recommend. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 investing mistakes keeping beginners poor, the lazy investing strategy wealthy people actually use, and how to build wealth from nothing, even if you feel behind. Let's go straight in. Let's be honest. You tried learning how to invest before. You've watched videos, you downloaded apps, maybe even opened a brokerage account, but your money still isn't growing. You feel stuck because you don't know what to pick, you don't know what to buy, you don't know how much to invest, you're afraid to lose money, or you're scared of making a mistake. Meanwhile, every year you wait, you fall further behind. Time is the only wealth building tool you can't get back. And here's the scary part. If you don't start investing correctly now, by 2030, you will be tens of thousands of dollars poor. Not because you lost money, but because you didn't make money. Let me future pace this for you. If you keep waiting, your savings will shrink from inflation. Your money will lose value sitting in a bank. You will work harder, but feel poor. You will watch people around you grow wealth you never started, and you will regret not beginning sooner. Because wealth does not come from big wins. It comes from time and consistency. If you're not investing, you're guaranteeing your future self a harder life. But here's the good news. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to time the market. You don't need to know every stock. You don't need day trading, crypto hype, or complicated charts. You just need the lazy system I'm about to show you. But first, let's fix the 3 mistakes that are keeping beginners poor. Most beginners think investing is scary because they don't understand the rules, but here's the truth. You don't need to be smart, you don't need to predict the market, and you don't need to spend hours researching stocks. You only need one thing, a system that grows even when you're busy. Think about it. Every wealthy person you know is not rich because they spent their life picking stocks. They're rich because they stayed in the market long enough for compound growth to work. But beginners make the same mistake over and over. They try to beat the market before they even understand the market. They think they need the perfect stock. They think they need the perfect timing. They think they need more money before they start. And all of that does one thing. It keeps them out of the game. The lazy strategy works because it removes fear. It removes confusion. It removes the pressure to be perfect. You don't get wealthy by being perfect. You get wealthy by being consistent. Before we get into the lazy wealth system, we need to stop the habits that are blocking you. I'm opening a loop here because mistake number 3 directly ties into stage 2 of the lazy wealth strategy. Stick with me. Let's go. Mistake number 1, trying to pick the perfect investment. Most beginners freeze because they think, I don't want to choose the wrong stock. What if this company drops? I don't know what to buy. This is normal, but here's the truth. Pick individual stocks is not how beginners build wealth. Even professionals lose money trying to beat the market. The lazy strategy avoids this completely. Mistake number 2, investing random amounts at random times. This is the I'll invest when I feel like it problem. You put $10 one month, $200 the next, nothing the month after that. That inconsistency kills your wealth. Investing is not about emotion, it's about rhythm. The lazy wealth strategy fixes this automatically. Mistake number 3, waiting for the right time to start. This is the most dangerous one. Beginners say things like, I'll start once the market drops, or I'll start when I make more money, or I'll start when things calm down. And here's what happens. They wait 1 year, then 2, then 5, then 10. Here's why this lazy strategy beats almost everything else available to beginners. It protects you from your own brain. When the market goes up, beginners buy too late. When the market drops, beginners panic and sell too early. When they get bored, they chase hype. When someone online brags about crypto or a meme stock, they jump in without thinking. This strategy eliminates all of that. It forces you to invest on a schedule, not on emotion. It forces you to buy during the highs and lows, which is exactly how real wealth is built. It forces you to stop trying to predict the future and simply participate in it. It always grows in the background whether you're working, studying, tired, busy, overwhelmed, or unsure. The system keeps moving your money forward. Imagine waking up a year from now with 12 months of automated investing behind you. You didn't study charts, you didn't time the market, you didn't stress, but your wealth grew anyway. That's the power of lazy investing. It makes the right decision automatically and removes the bad decisions entirely. Waiting is the most expensive mistake you can make. And here's the loop I opened earlier. The lazy investing strategy makes timing irrelevant. You'll see why in a minute. If this is already helping you and you're tired of feeling behind when it comes to money, I'm building a community of 100,000 beginners who want to finally learn how to invest the simple, lazy way without stress and confusion. If you want to build wealth starting today, subscribe now and join the mission. All right, now let me show you the system. This is not stock picking. This is not timing the market. This is not day trading. This is the exact strategy most wealthy people use without talking about it. The lazy wealth strategy has 3 stages. The first stage, the beginner blueprint. Second, the automatic investing engine. And third, the wealth compounding loop. Remember, simple beats complicated. Consistency beats intelligence. Let's break it down. Stage 1, the beginner blueprint. This is where the overwhelm disappears. The rule is simple. You invest in things that grow the economy, not things you have to monitor. In other words, index funds and ETFs. These are the baskets of hundreds of companies. The risk is spread out, the growth is consistent, and the stress is low. You're not trying to beat the market, you're simply riding the market. And historically, the market goes up way more than it goes down. That means you don't need stock skills. You don't need to follow the news. You don't need to guess. You don't need to check charts. You just buy the market. Lazy, simple, effective. But here's the powerful part. Most beginners invest too little or too randomly. That's where stage 2 comes in. Stage 2, the automatic investing engine. This is the heart of the lazy system because wealthy people don't invest manually. They invest automatically. This removes emotion, removes hesitation, and removes confusion. Here's what you do. Choose the investment, whether index fund or ETF. Choose how much to invest every month. Set up automatic contributions, and then walk away. This technique is called dollar cost averaging, and it solves everything that keeps beginners stuck. You don't care if the market is up. You don't care if the market is down. And you don't try to time anything. The system invests for you whether you feel confident or terrified. This is why beginners who automate beat beginners who wait for the right time, because waiting is a wealth killer. Automating is a wealth builder. And here's where the magic starts. Even small amounts grow massively over time. $50 a week, $25 a week, even $10 a week. It doesn't matter. What matters is rhythm. And this leads to stage 3. Stage 3, the wealth compounding loop. This is the part most beginners don't understand, and it's the reason why they never build wealth. Your investments grow, then those gains grow, then those gains grow. This is compounding. It turns small money into big money over years. But here's the missing piece. Compounding only works if you stay consistent through the boring years. Beginners quit too fast. They get scared when prices drop. They panic when the market dips. They feel frustrated when the growth is slow. But wealthy people know a secret. Down years are bonus years. Your automatic investing engines buys everything at a discount. This is why people who start early and stay consistent beat people who try to be smart. Lazy investors win because they don't interrupt compounding. Let's go deeper because I want you to understand something that will change the way you see investing forever. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine planting a tree. Year 1, nothing happens. Year 2, still nothing. Year 3, small progress. Year 5, you see real growth. Year 10, people start asking you how you did it. Year 20, you're sitting in shade that only exists because you planted the tree when it felt pointless. That's how investing works. The beginning feels slow, but that's not a sign of failure. It's a sign that compounding has started. Here's what most people do wrong. They plant a tree, then dig it up every few months to check on it. That kills growth. When you jump from stock to stock, investment to investment, trend to trend, you destroy the compounding cycle. The lazy strategy prevents this because you are not touching the tree. The system is. Now, let me tell you something even more important. You do not need a lot of money to start. People say, I'll invest when I make more. No, you won't. You'll increase your lifestyle instead. People say, I'll invest when the market drops. No, you won't. You'll get scared and wait longer. People say, I'll invest once I understand everything. No, you won't. The more you learn, the more overwhelmed you feel. The only way beginners build wealth is by starting small and letting time do the heavy lifting. You are not behind. You are not late. You're not too old to start. You're not too broke to start. You just need a system that does not depend on motivation or confidence. The lazy strategy gives you that. All right, let's tie it all together. You don't build wealth by being smart. You build wealth by being consistent. The lazy investing strategy works because you don't pick stocks, you don't time the market, you don't use emotions, you don't rely on motivation, you don't need expert knowledge. You just pick simple investments, automate your contributions, and stay consistent long enough for compounding to kick in. That's how you build wealth from nothing. That's how beginners win. That's how you stop feeling behind. You don't need more information. You need a system that runs when you don't feel ready. Start small, start simple, start now. Your future self will thank you for the lazy decision you make today.